What I'm about to share with you is the new oil money nobody talks about. Now, we know that Nigeria is going to a place where one source of income is no longer enough to sustain a family. Yes, it is no longer enough. So I would advise you stick with me to the end of this video, because what I'm about to share with you is what you think you cannot do, but in other words, you can actually do it. Hello, beautiful people, welcome back, and this is Kemi of Sefatu. If you're seeing this video for the very first time, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this, and share this video. So guys, what I'm about to discuss with you is what a lot of mothers are actually going into right now, and they are making a lot of money from it. So what I want to share with you is that you should start content creation. I know you have heard about it, you have heard a lot about it. Oh this, oh that, content creation is not for me, it is not my way. But I am about to burst your bubbles. There are a lot of married women on Facebook into content creation. In fact, most of them started with vlogs into content creation, and they are making a whole lot of money. Do you know the exchange rate right now? I mean, do you know the exchange rate? You know what it means for you to put about 30k in your account, and then you want to convert it into dollars, and you are converting it into something like $18, $20, 30,000 naira is what is looking like 20 naira in dollars. So guys, if you don't know about this, go on Facebook and search for working moms, tired moms, stay-at-home moms who are into content creation. In fact, some no longer have good background. Yes, some are doing content creation in an uncompleted building. So what are you waiting for? What is your excuse? When there's someone out there who's doing vlog in an uncompleted building? Or is it the fact that women now are doing vlogs in the market? They vlog their journey to the market. Follow me, I want to go and buy tomato and pepper, I want to do okra soup, I want to do the famous okra recipe, I want to do the famous concoction rice, and people are watching. People are watching because they're getting tons and tons of views. So I don't know how else to put this, but I think every woman out there should probably start content creation. If you know that you cannot do anything else, if you know that you cannot learn a skill, you cannot equip yourself. Some people will even learn the skill and will not make use of it. Some will learn the skill and they will not know what to do with it. You can learn a skill. If you're not getting your preferred clients, you start teaching other people online for free now. Let's assume now you have actually learned about video creation or video editing. You can start a series online. Video editing for beginners 101, video creation for beginners 101, video clinical for beginners 102. You can start that online, and believe you me, people will actually people will watch your videos because people are willing to learn. People want to learn. If you cannot do it, start a gossip TV, a gossip page. Once you start a gossip page, you'll be like, oh, I heard this is happening to so person. Let's watch the video that so person posted. You can even start a review where a commentary videos where you upload a short video and you are gesturing about it, laughing about it, asking people to watch, or just say, oh, Nigerians, let's watch this. Oh, Nigerians, look at this. Oh, Nigerians, I think this video will actually teach you more than you know that you can learn. These are things that you can easily do. And if you are a busy mom, maybe you have 4 or 5 kids, and you think you cannot make money online, just let the kids go to school. When they are in school, you carry your camera. As a record, if you have watched to this level and you have not subscribed to our channel, please do hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. You can learn simple color grading online. In fact, you see on TikTok, on Facebook. Once you do your video, you use the free CapCut version to color grade, and you upload. In fact, I can bet you that some married women online or some women online do not even edit their videos. They do not color grade their videos, but they post it online and they get tons and tons of views. So if you're a married woman out there, if you're a mom out there, and you feel like, oh, this is not for me, forget it. You see that one source of income that you're thinking will sustain you continuously. With the economic situation of Nigeria, I am glad to tell you that it will not. Yes, I am glad to tell you that it will not. Although it is getting tougher by the day to start content creation, because that is the truth. To get monetized is getting tougher and tough by the day. But no matter what you start on it, no matter what you do, even if it is a provision business, it will take time before the people around you will trust you to come and buy from them. So you start making your sales gradually. Maybe in a day you sell 2 biscuits and 5 pure water. The next day you sell 2 biscuits, 7 pure water. After a week like that, you are selling 5 biscuits. Is that not improvement? But that improvement is only happening because you go to shop every blessed day. So if you treat your online business like your offline business, I can assure you, you will get a lot of views within, give and take, 6 months. I'm just sharing my own opinion about you making money online, because it is what most people will not share with you. because this particular channel is about building financial success, setting yourself financially free. So if you have watched also to this level, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Let me know in the comment section if you are considering, or you think you can, or you can consider going into content creation. See, your phone does not matter, to be honest with you. Your phone does not matter. If you are an OG on this platform, you will know that when I started uploading video on YouTube, what we had at my background is not even this car. my background was more or less like a newspaper background. It is not as if I was not living fine. I was okay, because it is some of the things I actually do as well, I share here. I was okay, I was cool, but I've not upgraded my iPhone to this level. I've not upgraded my iPhone to this level. This was not the iPhone I started with. So with that being said, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and let me know in the comment section if you plan to start your content creation this year. Then let me know if you want me to create series about content creation 101, starting your content creation 101 journey, so we can do that for like 30 days.